This is how I remove the old wheels. Hopla. The metal is too thin. There's another one. Hopla. Oh, they still look okay. I don't know how many miles there are on there, but it's a lot. And always off-road, heavy off-road. So yeah, this is how I remove them. Yeah, I still don't have the sliders with the clips on, so I'm still using the old sliders. So how do I fix the wheel? Yeah, it's alloy, so I just take a center point and I put 3 dots on it. So the alloy goes, yeah, clamps on the wheel, so, and you don't have to worry, I did it before too, but when you lift them up, it will bend and you can, that's how I do it. When you put 3 dots in it, the alloy opens up a bit and it locks the wheel. When you don't have those new sliders with the clips, you can solve it like this. And afterwards, when you pull the wheel off, it will go back and then you can do it again. So I did it with every wheel. Look. I think after 1,000 kilometers of heavy off-road, those wheels are still okay. But I'm gonna change them anyway, the wheels, only the wheels. It's open anyway, so I'm gonna change them. But there's only a little bit of surface rust. Then the inside of the battery case, there is no damage whatsoever. Everything looks really okay. As you can see, everything is still okay. I like it. Maintenance work, I'm gonna clean it well up because there is a lot of dirt inside. So take a look at the wheels. At first sight, this side looks, yeah, they are all okay. This side is all okay. This side, it's all okay too. So I'm not gonna change the wheels. Have a look on the other side. One rubber stopper disappears. It's still okay too. This one too. Just clean it up. But this one I'm a little bit worried about. It's also getting loose. So this one needs my attention. Yeah, gonna check it. I'm so glad I checked the suspension because those screws and those screws, they were very loose. I could turn them for 3 times before they were fixed again, tightened again. So check it, guys. Those screws and those screws, you have to check it. So for the rest, everything was still okay. So yeah, okay. Quick gasket. So I'm gonna seal this a little bit up. So it's a little bit more watertight. I hope so. It can't hurt, So Now making sure that looks okay. I think every cable is inside. That looks okay. I'm gonna put some quick gasket around the light too, around the cable there, and it will be okay.